guys, today we're going to learn how to choose background for poster. So, what are the importance of choosing suitable background? Choosing a solid color background as it is an effective way to create simple designs, and the importance of background mounting is to help pop up the image and information. Now, let's look at the different types of background. As we can see, solid, texture, image, busy, pattern, light and dark backgrounds, and there are many more backgrounds. Now, in this video today, we are going to learn how to recreate a background for this coffee shop poster. As you see in this poster, we choose white and light brown color as our background. Okay, open Illustrator. After you open the Illustrator, click Create New. Here we're gonna add our poster details, such as title, which is I'm gonna put as background, and set our width and height. I'm gonna set the width to 500 pixels and height to 700 pixels, and make sure this is in pixel, and click Create. Here, after we click Create, we're gonna see this white space, and I already created this white space. And as I said before, we're gonna create this background for this coffee shop poster. So these are the colors, two colors, tan brown and white color. On the right hand side, we can see layers. I'm gonna click Create New Layer, so we'll have layer 2. I'm gonna add white color layer. I'm gonna just drag and drop white color layer and resize as in the coffee shop poster. And I'm gonna click Create New Layer to add brown color. Drag and drop and resize as in the coffee shop poster. Yes, and then I'm gonna rename this layer so it'll be easy for me to know which layer I'm working on. So I'm gonna just double click and set this to background, and double click on layer 2 to white, and layer 3 to brown. There you go, we already created our background, and we can add more elements to this. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.